Welcome to this video on Alert Triage and Incident Prioritization. Modern enterprises generate thousands of security alerts daily. We will explore how society analysts and blue team professionals prioritize these alerts to respond to real threats without being overwhelmed by noise. Alert triage is the process of reviewing, analyzing, and prioritizing security alerts based on their importance and potential impact. This helps us detect attacks faster, reduce response time, prevent analyst overload, and improve overall society efficiency. A major challenge is the false positive problem. Legitimate activities, such as admin scripting or large file transfers, can be incorrectly flagged as malicious. Too many false positives waste time and erode operational efficiency. SOC teams use severity levels to prioritize alerts by risk. These range from informational, which requires no action, to critical, which includes immediate threats like ransomware or domain controller compromise, requiring immediate action. Risk scoring assigns a composite score to each alert by combining factors like asset importance, user privilege, business impact, and threat intelligence. This ensures intelligent prioritization, as context changes everything. For instance, a suspicious login to a domain controller carries a much higher risk score than one on a standard workstation. Escalation logic defines when and how incidents should be elevated. Tier 1 analysts handle initial triage, followed by Tier 2 for deeper investigation. Critical threats like ransomware require immediate escalation to incident response. Alert fatigue occurs when analysts are overwhelmed by excessive, low-quality alerts. It leads to missed threats, drops in productivity, and burnout. Modern SOCs combat this through detection tuning, automation, and high-fidelity alerting. High-fidelity alerts prioritize quality over quantity, representing a high probability of genuine malicious activity. Examples include alerting only on encoded PowerShell commands, flagging suspicious process chains indicative of malware, and correlating detections with known malicious patterns. Effective triage requires an investigative mindset, combining technical knowledge and critical thinking. Skilled analysts never trust an alert blindly. They understand normal behavior, apply threat intelligence, and think like an attacker to investigate the full context of a potential threat. The key takeaways are: investigate false positives, use severity and risk scoring to prioritize, follow clear escalation logic, and combat alert fatigue through improved detection. Next up, we will cover TCP/IP and network communication for defenders.